Hi children, good morning. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to our school, Sri Vedada Universe School. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Kamala and I am going to teach you English and computers this year. So, I welcome all of you to first standard. So, first, before we start with our first standard lesson, what we do first, let us do some revision. We just recollect what we have learned in our LKG and UKG, the basics of English. First, let us see what is English. We are starting with our English subject. So, let us see what is first English. What is English, children? Do you know what is English? English is a language like Telugu, Hindi, what we are speaking, that is called a language. So, English is a language. భాష మనం తెలుగులో హిందీలో మాట్లాడతాం కదా, అలాగే ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా ఒక భాష. ఇట్ ఈస్ a language. So, for every language we need what we are speaking. If we want to write, we need some letters. So, let us start. So, we need some letters to write any language. So, what are the letters of English language? Do you know? All of you have learned. Do you know or not? Yes. A, B, C, D. The letters starting from A, B, C, D till up to Z. Very good. All of you know to read from A to Z or not? Yes, all of you know. I also know that you know. But what we are doing today, we are going to use the 4 rules. So we are going to use the 4 rules to write all these alphabets. These letters from A to Z are called what? Alphabet. So now what we are going to learn? We are going to learn how to write these letters neatly in these 4 rules. If you open your 4 rule book, you have a book like this. All of you have or not? Yes, all of you have a book like this. If you see this book, you can see that you have 4 lines. There are 2 red lines and 2 blue lines or 2 black lines. So, now we'll see on the board I also drew 4 lines. Now I'll show you how you have to write using neatly these, write neatly in these lines using these 4 rules. So, first we'll start with the capital letters. Usually when we are writing the capital letters, we are using only the first 3 lines. There is no need of the 4th line. The letters do not touch the 4th line. Only capital letters we are using the first 3 lines. So let us see. Let us start with A. So how we write? What is the first letter? A. So let us start with A. This is how we write A. See, we start from the center. There are center 2 lines. We start from there, go up, touch the top line and then come down. Only in the first 3 lines. Then you are going to, when you are writing the second letter, we give a finger space. What is finger space? You use your finger. This is called the index finger, children. You use this finger. You are writing with your right hand, no? So use your left hand finger. Keep your left hand finger like this and then you will write the second letter. What is the second letter? B. Very good. So, next again, take this finger, again keep like this. Then you will write C. Like that, you will write till Z. C. After C it is, children say D. Next, E. F. See how I am writing. First, you don't open your books. First, observe how I am writing. Then you can take out your books and start writing. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. U, V after W, X, Y and Z. So these are called what? A to Z are called the alphabet. And when you count this alphabet, how many are there? Have you counted any time, children? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, the letters from A to Z are how many? 26. Usually when we are writing English language, we use these 26 letters to write different words and different sentences, meaningful words and meaningful sentences. It's the combination of these letters only. So that's why it's very important to learn these letters. So today you have learned this. Let me show how you have to write. Now what you do, you take out your book and you will write in your notebook like this, children. You can write like this neatly. First you have to put the heading alphabet, then you can write the date, and then you will write like this. We will send a picture of this one for you so that you can follow this. Then you write 3 times. You can write 1, 2 and turn the page, write 3 times for homework. And tomorrow we are going to learn the small letters. Small letters are more important. So if you see, these are only, we are writing only using the 3 lines. Small letters, we also use the 4th line. So that is the class for today. Tomorrow you learn, we will go for the next class. I hope all of you enjoyed this class and understood. So that's for today. Have a nice day and goodbye, children.